Good morning students. This is our GK class. In GK last I have explained you up to musical instrument. Okay. Till here I have explained each and everything. Okay. Now today we are going to do page number 46. This is what it is written. Optical illusion. What it is written? Optical illusion. Optical illusion. What is the meaning of optical illusions? They are some creativity of some persons. Means if you see them, it looks different but something hidden there. Okay? The drawing is different and what you see it is not true. Something hidden is inside it. Okay? That things are known as optical illusion. Suppose you are seeing a picture. Means front you can see that picture, but if you see properly something hidden in that picture. Okay? It shows something. It is not true what it is showing. Something inside it is. So that kind of pictures or 3D arts are known as optical illusions. Okay? Here what it is written. Optical illusions are pictures that look different from what they actually are. Understand? That look different what they actually are. You see the actual picture, but it is not that. Something different is that. Inside something hidden is that. Okay? In each picture given below, there are two animals. The pictures in your book, it is given. But what you are seeing, inside that another animal is there. All the pictures are of animals. Okay? Like see, number A means number 1. It is written a lioness. This is white color you see. Lioness is there. Mouth open lioness. And what is the next? If you see this black image, it is a monkey. You have to write here monkey. Okay. Next see this white part. It is a picture of an eagle. What it is written? Eagle. But now see the black part. See the black part. This is a picture of two crocodiles. Not one. This side one, this side one. Two crocodiles. Okay. Next. See here. Number 3. White part. It is written a butterfly. This white part shows a butterfly. But see the black part. There are two seahorses. Two seahorses. Okay? It's like that. Now come to number 4. See the white parts. See the white parts. Okay? First this side. Left side the white part is an ape. Left side the white part is an ape. And the right side the part is a lioness. Okay? What it is? A lioness. Understand? This is a picture of a lioness. Next, see this picture. If you see from this side, this is a picture of a duck. See this side. Now see from this side. You will see this is a picture of a rabbit. What it is? Rabbit. Okay? And last one, number 6. If you see the white part, it is a picture of a giraffe. What it is? A picture of a giraffe. And then if you see the black part, there is a picture of two squirrels. This is a picture of two squirrels. Now all of you have understand what is optical illusion. Whatever you are seeing, apart from that, something hidden is inside. You have to look very properly, then you can see them properly. So these kind of pictures are known as optical illusions. Okay? Understand? Now turn the page. Page number 47. What it is written? Color only the area marked A in the black. What do you see? If you color this A area only, not this two, you have to color what this is. If you color, then you will say this is a picture of a vase. So you can say two faces and a vase in the middle. Two faces and a vase in the middle. Understand? Again, it is an optical illusion. Okay. Now next, there is a information given. See this picture? So many colors are there. So a kaleidoscope. It is saying a kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is a toy consisting of a tube. Understand? It is a toy and it has a tube. It has mirrors and piece of colored glass inside. It has mirrors, okay, and piece of colored glass. Piece of what? Colored glass inside. Mirrors, inside mirror is there, and piece of colored glasses. The bits of colored glass produce different images when it is rotated. If you rotate it, okay, rotate it, that bits of colored glass, when give image on that mirrors, it show many kinds of pictures. So this type of toy is known as kaleidoscope. What we say it? Kaleidoscope. Understand? It is a tube type, means in this there is a tube, inside it mirrors are there and bit of color glasses. When we see inside it, then this color glasses produce an images on the mirror and it looks very different. If we rotate it, many different images come out. This is known as kaleidoscope. Understand? Okay. Now come to the next page. Page number 48. Okay. What it is written? A number, name the numbers. Means it is totally, the picture is based on numbers. A number is a word that tells us quantity. Numbers what? Number tell you quantity. Okay. How much it is there. You have 3 balloons. That means you have how much? 3 balloons. You have 4 flowers. Means how many flowers? 4. We have 2 eyes. Yes. We have 5 fingers in each hand. Both the hand 5 fingers. Similarly, most things are represented by numbers. Similarly, same way, many things are represented by what? Numbers. Understand? Now see the first, name the numbers. You have to name the number. This is a picture of what? Rhinoceros. What it is written? A rhinoceros has dash horn. How many horns? A rhinoceros has 1 horn. Okay? See this picture. This is an octopus. It has dash tentacles. These are known as tentacles. How many tentacles? An octopus has 8 tentacles. Okay? Then see. This is a picture of camel. Okay? This is what? This is a picture of camel. Some camels have dash humps. You see the picture on the back? These 2 kinds of, like this, it is there. Okay? So this part is known as humps. So these camels, some camels have, how many have? Some, not everyone. One camel has, few camels have 1 hump and some have 2 humps. Okay? Now see, number 4. A butterfly has dash legs. Butterfly, how many legs are there? There are 6 legs. How many legs? 6 legs. Okay? Then this is a picture of a crab. Most crab have dash legs. Most crab have how many legs? Most crab have 10 legs. Not all, but mostly, means 90% crabs have 10 legs. This is a picture of a dragonfly. What it is written? A dragonfly has dash wings. How many wings? 4 wings. Okay? And last, number 7. An ant's body is divided into dash part. How many part? 3 part. Forehead. This is for thorax and this is abdomen. So 3 part. and spot is divided into three parts. You have understand all the things are represented by numbers. If I ask you starfish has how many tentacles, then you will say 5. Birds have how many legs? 2. A cow has how many tail? 1. So these all are represented by numbers. So numbers are so much important to us. They tell us what is the quantity of them. Understand everybody? So I have teach you 3 pages of your GK books. Okay? Go through it and learn them. Next day I will explain what I have given extra question in your copy. Okay? My teaching over, students. Thank you.